Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are on lesson number 10, mashallah. So we will be doing some exercises on hazihi and haza. We said that hazihi is used for female and haza for male. So here is haza masjidun wa hazihi madrasatun. We can see here it's golta here, so it's female in Arabic. So we use hazihi, not haza. Man hazihi. Who is this? Hazihi Ukta Abbasin. This is Abbas's daughter. So Ukta is daughter in Arabic. Ukta Abbasin. Abbas's daughter Hazihi. So it's female. Haza Dikun wa Hazihi Dajajatun. Haza Ibnul Mudiri. So this is the son of the principal. Wahazihi Bintul Mudarrisi. And this is the daughter of the teacher. Hazi Ummu Yasirin. This is the mother of Yasir. So I didn't write this signs on this so that we can read it without them. Ibn Qadarul Lahmi. Aina Qadarul Lahmi. Sorry, Aina Kidrul Lahmi. This is the word, is the pot of the meat. Aina Kidrul Lahmi. Here fits Salajate. Salajate means fridge. Here fits Salajate. Haza Babun. Wahazihi Nafizatun. This is the door and this is the window. So the window is female in Arabic. So this was the exercise, and if you will get the book, it will be easy for you to understand it. So I will give it the reference later of the book. Okay, so we are going to learn about the Sifat Mosuf. So there are some things like Muhammadun Talibun. So here Sifat is Talibun, Mosuf is Muhammadun. So they get the same signs like un, right? In Muzaf we used to see that Muzaf gets U and the Muzaf gets in or A in the last like Ummu Yasirin, but here we say Muhammadun Talibun, Hamidun Tabibun, Al Kamaru Jamilun, Al Babu Jalisun, Al Abu Jalisun. So this is Sifat Musuf, but they get both the same signs. Yes.